Dear Tai, dear Sangha, today is 27th October 2025. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are starting a new series on Zen and its wonderful opportunities to change our thoughts and lives. Earlier, we did a series on Japanese minimalism series, for which we received warm response from our viewers. This shows how much influence Japanese culture and its positive impact have in our modern times. Friends, as our first podcast on Zen Mind, we select the theme Nature and Stillness. This will portray Japan's landscapes to reflect the inner silence cultivated through meditation, showing how nature and stillness are inseparable from Zen philosophy. Let's listen to a small poem. Beneath the bamboo hush, a single leaf falls, not to disturb, but to remind. Stillness is not silence. It is the sound of nature remembering itself. How beautiful these verses are. Zen teachings often use natural imagery, falling leaves, flowing water, changing seasons, to illustrate mujo, impermanence. Observing nature helps practitioners accept change and let go of attachments. Zen monasteries are often nestled in forests or mountains, where daily routines like sweeping leaves or chopping wood become meditative acts. Nature isn't a backdrop. It's a sanctuary that enhances mindfulness. Zen embraces wabi-sabi, the beauty of imperfection and transience. Moss-covered stones, asymmetrical gardens, and weathered wood reflect this philosophy, inviting contemplation through simplicity. Central to Zen, Zazen is the practice of sitting in stillness. It's not about stopping thoughts, but observing them without attachment. Stillness becomes a mirror for the mind. Zen teaches that stillness isn't confined to sitting. It can be found in walking, kinhin, cooking, or even bowing. The key is presence, doing each act with full awareness. In many Zen spaces, a Buddha statue represents stillness and clarity. It's not worshipped, but used as a visual anchor, a reminder to return to the breath, the moment, the now. In a world of distraction, Zen stillness is radical. It invites practitioners to pause, listen, and reconnect with their truest nature. Silence becomes a form of wisdom. Dear friends, I hope this learning of these small but powerful habits make really big impact in our mindful living, even we not realizing it. Wishing you all advancement in mindful living. In summary, let's recollect today's learning. Stillness isn't the absence of sound. It's the presence of listening. Thanks for watching this video. Till we are back with another episode, signing off, and have a good day.